how to repost an Instagram post. So if you want to repost an Instagram post, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, now for example I want to post this one, then I'll just simply go with the share icon, and from here I'll just simply go with add to story, and I can add that post to my story. Or if you want to add that as a post, then you can just simply go with discard and take a screenshot of this post. Like for example, I'll go and take a screenshot of this post. Once you've taken the screenshot, now you just need to simply tap on the post section and select the post that you've just taken a screenshot, tap on next and adjust it, and go with next again, tap on OK, and then tap on add a caption, add some caption to it, tag people, add music, and then go with OK and share, which is on the bottom, and it has been posted to your profile. Now you can go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and if you reload your page, then you'll have the post right here. That's how you can repost an Instagram post, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.